you haven't listened to the previous parts, I would suggest that you can go back and listen to them in any which or ever order, but I would suggest that you start from the beginning so that you can go along and see all these things in practice as well. Because remember, I'm giving you the principle, I still give you a scripture reference to it, and I will give you how to apply this principle as well. Because it's no use of having something but not applying it. You remember my favorite scripture, James 1:22, which is literally saying that let it not be just mere words. So this principle, I said, another principle I gave you is forgiveness. Frees you from bitterness and allows you to move forward in God's plan. That's another one. Then to be diligent and excellent in your work, which the principle is work as unto the Lord, striving for excellence in all you do. And then you have to seek the wisdom and discernment, which the principle is that seek God's wisdom and decision making and leadership. Then I also said to you to stay humble, which is the principle of humility, which is the key to godly leadership. Not just godly leadership, but a godly life. Then trust God's timing, which is a principle of God's delays are not his denials. Waiting for his perfect timing.